awesome event. It's an awesome conference full of people, and the main focus is the community, and this is the heartwarmest conference that I've probably been to.
It's really amazing how many incredible people are here and how everyone's coming together and just sharing ideas and so much motivation.
Curiosity is the main driver of learning of everything. They should not be too shy. They should just approach everybody they want, ask questions, no matter if it is like a low-level, tiny question or a very shy, and should just openly ask everything they might not understand or want to learn.
Continue to be inspired. You came here to learn and to grow and see what else is out there, and continue doing that. The community is here to support you in that endeavor, so yeah, keep learning.
I like everything about NGBE. It's the community, it's the heartwarming people here and all the organizers of the conference. Everything feels so good and natural, and yeah, it's just having a good time here. And we can really feel that.
I really like the energy here and the people, and the amount of really deep and interesting technical and personal talks that I've had here is mind-blowing.
I like about NGB that it's very intimate, and it's all of you organizers spend so much effort to making us very welcome and feel like home. It's really amazing keeping everyone together in the same place, both speakers and attendees, and like really taking care of every single detail, everything to be completely impeccable. It's just kind of, you just feel amazing that you're here. Just as an attendee, not even as a speaker. So it's just like a special atmosphere that is here.
So NG Girls is doing beginner workshops for women because we want to increase the diversity in the whole community, and plans. What our plans are is still coming back on track and making more and more workshops, because after Corona everything was really tough for us, especially all these online workshops, and now we want to get back on track and hopefully have a lot of conferences and workshops.
I hope that they feel that they've already accomplished something, they have an application they can take home, show off, and just keep building things, connecting with the community and not being afraid to ask for help, because we are a really big community, and NGBE really does give you that impression and show you that you can actually talk to people.
It feels like the family is coming together again, like every single year, and you see familiar faces, even for the participants and the speakers and organizers, and they're giving so much back to the community. Like, this is really a community-driven conference, and you see it like on the sponsors, on the speakers, like how they interact with each other, and that really feels really good to be here.
Although they all work in Angular, it's nice to see Angular getting used in a lot of different areas, a lot of different companies, a lot of different styles. We have students, we have senior profiles, so it's really nice to have a chat with them.
It's super cool to see that our community is living, is sharing, is learning together. I think it's all about the people having this event, having the connections, having technical connections, business connections, opportunities which can be born here.
I met so many great people, developers, but also other companies. And yeah, it's great to meet all those people. We had great food, it's a very enjoyable day.
The organization is impeccable, the quality of the speakers is just outstanding. And it's a really nice vibe that you feel among the consultants as well. All of that makes it a great experience.
You get to know a lot of people, have a nice talk with them, in a very nice atmosphere, great food, love the speakers.
It's a small event, but a very cozy, warm event. A lot of warm people.
I think it's a well-organized event with nice speakers, nice talks, and also for us, I think also a nice networking event with fun, nice front-end developers also.
It's close to home, so it's like a home base, which is great. Sofico is expanding, and we have like 12 colleagues now, and we can all bring them here. We're having a local community, actually.
The technical level of the sessions is very high, that's what our developers say, but also the atmosphere. It's always a nice ambience here with a nice mix of professionals, consultants, students, and also the NG girls, which are also a very nice addition to the event.